we go. It is 12:37. I'm on Mill Avenue. Gonna walk up Mill through the school and start this 7-mile walk.
Los gatos, no sé, no estoy buscando. ¿Te ve mala?
Heading into the ASU campus. 12:55 at the Memorial Union. Some late night construction. Alright, 1 o'clock on Apache Boulevard. Hello. Can I get a 7-layer burrito? And how much are those Mountain Dew Baja Blast freeze?
The small ones are like $2.19, the large ones are $2.50.
Okay. I think I'll just get a small drink then. Thanks.
I'll even save somebody just because. So here, have the drink.
Oh, really?
$3.88.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I charged you for it after I said I was.
Oh, that's okay.
$2.48.
Thanks.
2.26.
7, thank you. Alright, next stop is Walmart on Southern. Heading south on Rural, still 152. There's a rather interesting bit. A shoe. What? This can't hurt.
How are you tonight?
Oh, pretty good.
Good.
Yeah, just getting some food for the way home.
Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Wherever you're at.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. So, it's 2:30. I'm on Southern, finally. Go. Not a car in sight. Anywhere. Freeway at 3:30. I have done it. Walked from Mill Avenue to Mesa.